So what are we doing today? So, glow plugs, basically. I've ignored that for far too long, and I think that's what caused my DPF to clog. I've had that glow plug light flashing since before my road trip, and I didn't pay attention to it because we did loads of motorway driving, big journeys, so we never clogged the DPF. But as soon as I got back, it clogged the DPF, EGR got stuck, so on, so on. And now when I start it up, because the cylinders can't get preheated by the glow plug, is it neutral? Yeah. I get a lot of white smoke. Quite a bit close. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I get quite a bit of white smoke when I start up, especially when I press the throttle and I try to set off before the engine gets sort of warm. No, you can't really see nothing. But yeah, I do get quite a lot of white smoke. So I measured the resistance of the glow plugs. 2 of them no resistance at all. The rest of them, the resistance is super high, so they all need replacing. So of all the glow plugs, they're about 12 quid, so that's not a big issue. But why haven't I done it sooner? They like to get stuck, but I think it's time I give it a go. Also had the windscreen replaced because I had a tiny crack down along the bottom. With this heat wave, it just spiraled everywhere, so the entire windscreen needed to be replaced. So that was another 250 quid. I can't really control that, so I'm gonna let it warm up a bit, spray with the WD-40 and see how it goes. I've also replaced the camcorder gasket because that was leaking in there to back up the engine. So I'm going to shut it off. And I'm actually going to get some kind of pliers and pull those wires that go to the glow plugs. You need to pull this wire strip off. Some of these like tubes won't come off, you have to pull them off with pliers. Then you put a 10mm socket on this and you crack it. Well, obviously WD-40 it first, and you crack it and WD-40 again, and then tighten it back up. Not a lot, you know, just clean the threads up because you don't want to snap glow plug inside your head. So they're coming out quite easily, but I'm taking it safe. So I sprayed it again with WD-40. I'm going to screw them back in and then wait a minute and then do a bit more unscrewing them and repeat that process until they're completely out. In fact, you should be replacing these every 70k, but no one does. That one was a bit oily. Double fantasies. Pop it in. Screw it back in. And the torque spec on these is 12 Newton meters, but my torque wrench doesn't go that low, so my solution to this is a ratchet. There we go. That's it. That's it. Easy as that. And I'm going to grab my Parkside torque wrench. I'm going to go. That's it. That's it, torque to spec. So now, these should be on there, but they're obviously broken off. That's all in there. That's it. So, as again, I forgot to press record again. Car was completely cold, had it standing for about half an hour. Engine was cold to the touch, so I got this call light still flashing because one of the O2 sensors on the exhaust, the wires frayed or ripped, which is a pain to get, so that's why that's flashing. But yeah, I'm getting no smoke on the startup, which is a success. Not bad for a 20-minute job. So I'm going to drive around and see how it goes. So yeah, cheap easy fix. Might be a good idea to do it even if you're not having this issue, so you don't run into blocking your DPF, EGR and so on, and it just makes your car run a bit better on the startup.